So we're going to think about finding what we call a least common denominator. So there's a lot of lingo in there. Um, Again, math, awesome, because oftentimes the words that are chosen to describe something or name something really give some solid clues about what you're going to be doing with it or what that thing really truly means. Um, so as we kind of dive in, we're going to be thinking about least, smallest, right? Common, same, similar, and denominator. We know that a denominator is the bottom number on a fraction. So if we have a 1 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, 2 is in the denominator spot of this fraction. So as we go here, we want to find the least common denominator because before you can add, you're going to be learning that you have to have a least common denominator. So we're going to think about what we know about multiples, multiplying, right? So you can also think of multiples like skip counting. So if we look at the two denominators here, we have a 3 and a 4 in these fractions, and we can see right off the bat they're not the same. We need them to become the same. So we're going to find the least common denominator by finding the first multiple that these two numbers share, that they have in common. So we're going to count. We can say, all right, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. All right, and we're going to maybe stop there and say, oh, well, I know my 4 facts, right? So I can say 4, 8. I can see it right off the bat. I know it's going to be 12, 4, 8, 12. So we can then say, woo, we found the least common denominator. The least common denominator here is 12. So that means that it's the first multiple that those two denominators share, that they have in common.